The next question here says the derivative of 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 1 is what? You have two ways of solving this. I'm going to explain the two ways and then you are free to choose whichever way. This is a very straightforward question. The first way here is to expand. You expand these and then you differentiate. That will be faster for you. But because there are other questions that when you expand, you make it become more complex, then I'm going to solve this using the product rule. The product rule is one of the rules that help us to solve problems, to differentiate problems. So the product rule is used when you have product of two factors. This is 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. That's a product. So the product rule says that you have u dv over the x with respect to x plus v du with respect to x. What this means is the very first factor here, I'm going to call this, say let u be equals to 2x plus 1 and let v be equals to 3x plus 1. I've told you you could expand this and differentiate, and that's going to be very, very fast. But because you could have other problems where you need to use the product rule, that's why I'm taking it this way. So u the v, that means I'm just going to write exactly the value of u, 2x plus 1, and then you differentiate the v, which is 3x plus 1 with respect to x, plus v, it means just write the v plus 1 and then you differentiate the u, 2x plus 1, that's with respect to x. So here I have just the same factor, 2x plus 1, and then when you differentiate these, 3x, you have 3. When you differentiate 1, you get 0. Plus, I have this 3x plus 1, and you differentiate 2x, you get 2. So open up this bracket. 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 3, 6x plus 2. And when you sum up, you've got 6x plus 6x, 12x, and 3 plus 2 is 5. And so this is your answer. But if you wanted to expand and differentiate, you still get the same thing. So you'd have done something like this. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. So expand this. 2x times 3x, 6x squared. 2x times plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 3x plus 1 times 1, that's plus 1. So you have 6x squared plus 5x plus 1. And so differentiate this, you get 12x plus 5. And so this is faster, right? Yeah, this is faster. So you have two ways now in solving this. And that's going to be option option C, 12x plus 5. Please click on the follow, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, now this also is on derivative. Find the derivative of sine theta divided by cos theta. What do you do? Now, in this problem, I'm going to teach you using the quotient rule. The quotient rule. Now, what the quotient rule says is you have v du minus u, this with respect to x, u dv with respect to x, divided by v square. Divided by v square. So now you use this rule when you are differentiating fractions. Basically, when you have fractions, just like here now, I have sine theta over cos theta. I want to differentiate this. So I say, let u be equals to sine theta, the first one, the numerator, and let v be equals to cos theta. So let's substitute here. So I have cos theta, differentiate sine theta, minus sine theta differentiate cos theta divided by cos theta all square. Cos theta all square is the same thing as cos square theta, or you write it as cos theta all square. The same thing. Same thing. So here I have cos theta differentiate sine theta, you get cos theta, minus I have sine theta. When you differentiate cos theta, you get minus sine theta. All of these divided by cos square theta. So here now cos theta times cos theta is cos square theta. Then here I have minus sine theta times minus sine theta, that's plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta. One of the trigonometric identities states that sine square theta plus cos square theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here I just have 1 divided by cos square theta. Now this 1 over cos square theta represents another thing. Look at this. Sec theta is equals to 1 over cos theta. And so if we have sec square theta, that will be the same as 1 over cos square theta. So my 1 over cos square theta here is sec square theta. Pay attention to all of this. Let me tell you about this too. Cosec theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. Take note of that. And cot theta is equals to 1 over tan theta. So let's get back to our question. This is supposed to be option A.